That was loud.
I missed it. There were two fast last moves. Ooh.
That one was loud. Alsip's under attack.
Stupid thing. Oh, that was slow.
Oh, wait. I can't even see where I'm aiming.
Yeah, I know, it's too dark. Until the fireworks turn on.
I don't know how long I should record.
So you think you never know. What SD card did we buy you? 512?
Yeah.
Oh, I have a 512.
What now? What? It's something about a game, you said?
Big one. Oh, man. Yeah, there it was.
Oh, yeah. Did you get any farther since I came over? Oh. Really? What were you doing yesterday? Oh. Yeah. That one came out good. Oh, yeah. This one's gonna be big. Oh, yeah. Crazy.
That fast one is back.
You did? How was it? Really? Oh, yeah? Outside? Yeah. Why, did you hear the fireworks?
I wonder how many people getting crashes watching fireworks.
How many what?
People getting crashes watching fireworks.
Oh.
I got this around my egg. That one should have been good.
That one's gonna be huge. Yeah, why? I don't know, it depends. That one came out good on the camera. That one came out real good on the camera.
I wonder when the finale's going.
This is going on MySpace. You should go see Fantastic Four. Bob said it was really good.
What? Tell him he's retarded.
And he says there's possibly going to be a third one.
There is going to be a third. Wait, did they defeat Galactus in this one or not? Ask him. Ask him if they defeat Galactus.
I don't want to ruin the ending.
Ask him right now.
Fine. Did they defeat Galactus? Galactus. Yes. He doesn't know who he is.
He's that guy who eats planets, not the Silver Surfer.
He's the guy that eats planets? No, not the Silver Surfer, the other guy.
The giant storm, I guess.
The giant storm thing.
I can smell that salmon. What the hell is that?
Yes.
Oh, ground show.
Yeah. I'm going under a tunnel. I'm outside. Not that far. I'm right on the back. That was loud.
Scotty. He doesn't know.
Yeah.
Can you zoom in on videos? Neither can I. Which I find ripped. Rip off.
I have to zoom in before I start the video. That's why. Probably.
What colors are nitrate and phosphate and all them? Isn't phosphate green or red? Or maybe nitrate's green and red. I don't remember.
Yeah. It's really beat me on. I'm cloud. We should go level up one. Boy, I was died on that phantom guy. Surprised I lived. Smacked
You
around.
mean the phantom
Yeah.
in the class?
Goofy, you know how he has MP give?
Yeah.
Guess what he kept doing? He kept giving it to Peter Pan.
Why?
I don't know. So I had to keep getting smacked by the phantom to get magic back.
Where you're like, yeah, give me magic.
God.
I
I was so mad because he was just giving him a Peter Pan. God. Peter Pan died like 6 times. Yeah, sure.
After he died, was he giving an MP gift to you? Put this in your pocket.
What? No, wait. No, I didn't know that.
You know, bees are back. Right there. They're not coming out. You don't have to scrunch down back. Bees.
I only can record them at 30. I can only record another minute. Otherwise I won't be able to post it.
Wow. How long can they be?
10.
Why don't you put it on YouTube?
That can only be 10.
Why don't you split it into parts? Why don't you pause it and then make another one? Like part 2.
Alright, I will.
Big. Told ya.
Damn it. I pooped my pants and you hear it.